Hey everybody! So, I need to work on this Octopus. I've needed to work on it for a while. I want to have it ready for RadCon. But got a new welding hood, which is the excuse for working on this Octopus tonight. I got it at Harbor Freight. And I don't normally talk about the stuff I get at Harbor Freight, except it seems like over the past week or so, every video that I say Harbor Freight in gets about 600 more views than all the other videos I actually care about. So I got a Harbor Freight welding hood. I'm going to try it out on this Octopus. I hope you all enjoy. It's just going to be some time lapse of taking on this Octopus, maybe a little metal shaping. Have fun. So this isn't a very bad hood. It's the titanium line, whatever. The part numbers, I'll put it in the description. It's a fully digital hood. It's got the little shade selector, sensitivity, and all that. I don't like the headgear. I think the headgear is going to be a little weak. I'm probably going to end up having to get another one or get a different one. But pretty much anything under $300 or $400, and most of the stuff at the $300 or $400 level in welding hoods is going to be made in China anyway. I didn't get any kind of arc flash. It actually worked beautifully, and I've never had a hood that did the kind of color spectrum that this one does. I was just kind of dinking around on that block there. So yeah, I'd give it a this works okay stamp.